Well, the Brooklyn District Attorney's Office only ever had two divisions, one dedicated to trials and another to investigations. But now, as News 12's Caitlin Ulrich tells us, they're expanding to focus on gender-based violence.
When a woman is the victim of domestic violence or sex trafficking, her path to justice may involve not only a lawyer, but a social worker, children's services, shelters, and more.
And so victims and survivors would have to go from one agency to another agency. And so what we did here in Brooklyn is we coordinated all of the efforts of this office in one division.
Brooklyn DA Eric Gonzalez says the office's new gender-based violence division will be made up of legal experts in domestic and sex violence, human trafficking, and crimes against children. Now, it will include more than 100 lawyers and at least 30 social workers.
My office will continue to serve a person even if they decide that moving forward with a prosecution is not in their own best interest at this moment.
The office will also use the youth visa practice, offering protection to immigrants that are victims of certain crimes.
We have to acknowledge that women are really vulnerable often to these attacks and assaults.
The National Coalition Against Domestic Violence reports that 1 in 3 women experience some type of physical violence from an intimate partner.
And often they felt that the criminal legal system did not take their concerns seriously, treat them with the amount of respect, and did not invest the same amount of resources that they invest in other types of crime.
Assistant District Attorney Michelle Kaminsky is leading the division. DA Gonzalez says the office's Domestic Violence Bureau prosecutes about 10,000 cases a year. For News 12, Caitlin Ulrich.